Hi everyone, thanks and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Freedom to Create. I am artist Linda Lindahl, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own gesso. I've listed the products or the equipment you need to make your gesso, and right now I'm opening a container that's had a little bit left in the bottom, so I'm going to add a little water to it and shake it up, and I'll use that in my mixture. So I'm just going to close the lid and shake it up so it mixes, and then I'll add that to the mixture when I'm done getting the correct thickness to it. I want to shake it up really good and loosen up anything that's left on the bottom there. Next, I'm going to open the baby powder. You can use chalk, cornstarch, baking soda, anything you might have on hand. I had to pry the lid off of the baby powder so that I could pour it into my mixing bowl. And you can use anything. I keep my containers, so if you have containers on the side, and you can add anything you want to it. I use them for mixing. Right, I purchased Equate baby powder. It doesn't have to be anything special. Make sure you cap off all your containers so you don't spill. I've got student glue that I purchased at Walmart for 52 cents or 54 cents. I'm going to add that to the container with the baby powder and just empty the whole thing into there. And I took the spatula and whoops, started mixing. Um, if you're sensitive to certain elements, you might want to wear an aspirator um, because the baby powder will kind of go off into the air. Mix it slowly so you keep most of it in the bowl. And then I'm going to add some white paint. I'm not using any specific measurements. I just want to create a solution to the thickness that that I desire. So you just mix until it's thoroughly, till the powder is thoroughly mixed in, and the paint's thoroughly mixed in. And I'll lift up the spatula. You can see it's a little thinner than I would like. Um, So in order to thicken it up, you can add more talc. I'm going to add the mixture of the leftover gesso that I had. So I add that to the mix. And just keep mixing it thoroughly. Cover your sides, scrape your sides and your bottom. Make sure the talc is totally absorbed into the solution. I want to add a little more baby powder to make it thicker. Stir slowly to mix it all up and get it wet. And then you can go ahead and do a heavier mix. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and follow along. And I have many more other videos for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye now.